have arrived here in Firenze, or as the tourists call it, Florence. Make no mistake, I am no tourist here. I've been on these rooftops many times in Assassin's Creed. I was actually looking for haystacks around. I remember there were multiple of them, but I can't find any for some reason. I'm blasting Assassin's Creed 2 music in my ears, and the vibe is unparalleled. It actually makes me want to play the game again. But to be honest, मैंने कुछ साल पहले खेला था वो वापस, and it's not a great game. It's a mediocre game at best. मतलब the characters are charming, so that kind of makes up for it, but the game itself is a chore to complete. Just like any other Ubisoft garbage, but that's not the point. Point is, only reason I wanted to check out Florence was because this is Ezio's hometown. I had gone to see Michelangelo's David, और मैं लाइन में खड़ा रहा, but I checked online, the tickets are sold out for the entire day. पर कोई बात नहीं, मुझे इतना पसंद भी नहीं है डेविड. He's a loser. वैसे पिनोकियो भी फ्लोरेंस का ही है, by the way. It's kind of ironic how Pinocchio's nose is longer than Michelangelo's you know what. तो अच्छा ही है Michelangelo का डेविड देखने को नहीं मिला. अभी यहाँ से मैं जा रहा हूँ Piazzella Michelangelo, which is like a terrace viewing gallery for the entire city. पूरी सिटी की स्काईलाइन दिखती है, so I'm gonna catch the sunset from there. जो मेन मैं कैथीड्रल देखना आया था वो इतना पास से मैंने देखा ना कि I couldn't see it properly. तो वहाँ से अच्छा व्यू मिलेगा. I am here. I'm hearing the Pirates of the Caribbean music somewhere. Okay, I made my way up the hill before sunset. Now I'm making my way down. The hike up was kind of painful, but going down again shouldn't be that bad. Acha, fun fact, ये Piazzella Michelangelo has nothing to do with Michelangelo the sculptor and the painter. ये 19th century में बना था क्योंकि some architect wanted to create this platform where you can view the whole city. So I arrived in Parma last night. मेरी return flight थी मिलान से यहाँ की, और initial plan was to spend the night at the airport, but it was too many hours, so I booked a quick hotel. Last minute book करने पे मुझे actually काफ़ी decent price पे मिल गया, तो वहाँ पे सो के आया हूँ अभी. It's 8:15. My flight's at 11, so I'm just gonna check my bags in, and I'll be in Paris for today. Flight to India tomorrow. आज का प्लान ये है कि I'm gonna do the before sunset walking tour, as gay as that sounds. थोड़ा और explain करता हूँ बाद में. पेरिस आ चुका हूँ और बहुत गंदी बारिश है इधर. So I think my before sunset walking tour plan will have to take the boot. I might not do the walking tour. I'll just see the locations. Or my sister suggested this restaurant which serves quality steak with some secret green sauce, and it had me at green and sauce. Let's fucking go. That's where I might end up having dinner. And yeah, just making my way to the hotel right now. उसके बाद जाता हूँ सिटी सेंटर. क्लाउडी है और बहुत गंदा वेदर है, लंदन जैसा हो रहा है एकदम, बट देखते हैं. आई ट्राई टू मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ माई टाइम हियर. Okay, the weather is pathetic, but nevertheless I have started my walking tour of the before sunset shooting locations. I know, pretty gay. Okay, here's Notre Dame, and right next to the street is the bookstore where the movie begins. Let me show you. बहुत लंबी लाइन लगी है, पता नहीं क्यों. आई थिंक ईथन हॉक ही आया हुआ होगा अपनी बुक प्रमोट करने. जेसी आई मीन शेक्सपियर एंड कंपनी. दिस इज द प्लेस. आफ्टर दिस बुक स्टोर द मूवी गोज हियर डाउन दिस रोड. नाउ it goes here up this street and then towards the left, but that's when the movie lies to you. So the cafe they go to after this is a 44-minute walk away across the river. It's not here. Big surprise. Movies lie to you, kids. Never judge a book by its cover, if that expression fits here. So if I were to do the whole walking tour, it would take me a long time and I don't have it in me. I'm happy I saw the bookstore, but expecting me to do more is pushing it. I'm not going to the other locations now. I'm actually really pissed. I thought I could do that whole walk in one go, but that's not happening. Fuck the before sunset walking tour. We go in rogue. I'm gonna do my own fucking walk. No more before sunset. It's enough walk time. Okay, so I picked up these French Parisian gulab jamuns because I saw a TikTok like ages ago talking about how great they are. My expectations are very low because I picked up an eclairs from the same place, and in all honesty, Tesco की जो £1.80 वाली eclairs आती थी ना, वो better थी. Kind of reminded me of the motherland. ये सब उठाने के बाद I came here to get the steak with the secret sauce, and the sauce was incredible. The steak was also incredible. I've never had medium rare steak which is that soft, like it melted in my mouth almost. So 10 on 10 experience. And you know, when I was sitting here I was trying to be all proper with good table manners until the lady came in with seconds. She was serving more steak and chips and I was like, fuck this, I'm chowing it down. I can't wait for thirds, but unfortunately there were no thirds, only seconds. फिर से काफ़ी कंप्लेन कर रहा था कि आईफिल टावर ही तो है, इसमें ऐसा क्या है, बट अभी आके अच्छा लग रहा है. Here it is. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले स्पार्कल भी कर रहा था. I hate feeling like a tourist, but I'm feeling like one now.